How to improve your connection. Weak cellular signal. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple troubleshooting steps that may help improve network problems. First, make sure your SIM card is clean and free of any dust or dirt. If needed, gently wipe it with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth, then securely reinsert it into your iPhone. Next, open the Settings app and tap Cellular. Make sure cellular data is turned on. Then tap Cellular Data Options and confirm that the correct network settings are selected for your carrier. Now, again, go back to Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, and VPN settings. Finally, turn airplane mode on for about 5 seconds. Then turn it off. After that, restart your iPhone. If the signal is still weak, remember that network strength also depends on your carrier's coverage and your current location. And that's how you can troubleshoot low network signal on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates.